Alright, just finished the first version of my game, so let's get to it. Oh, alright. Yeah, here. Alright. No, that's not what I want to do. Alright. So today I wrote the entire main module, the main function, whatever. Main module, yeah, because there's multiple functions here. So, it's definitely an improvement from my Java version. It's just very messy. Which I mean, when I scroll through it fast, it will all look messy, but I did a better job of the play loop function. This is actually it's actually not called play again loop, but here I'll explain it because this is probably the best thing I did today that made my life a lot easier. That actually allowed me to finish it today, without just copy like vibe coding or whatever. So ask play again. At first I didn't have the bankroll as a parameter, so you can ignore this, but basically what I did, I had to learn how to use like the Rust equivalent of a Java scanner today. So there, but I prompted the user, um, asked him to play again, flushed the standard out. I don't know exactly what this does. I still have to look into it, but that's what I saw I had to do. And read the user input. Maybe okay, so maybe standard out. I think I don't know, but I'll figure it out later. Standard in though, I know that like it reads a line, and you have to give it a buffer, a string to actually modify instead of Java just creates its own string and returns that. But yeah, so then just that expect everyone knows how that works. But and the match, I was having some trouble with match today. So match input trim. So this kind of acts like a switchboard. So you trim off all the white space, make it lowercase, make it a string, and then it accepts both yes and no, and then it returns false, or it returns true or false respectively. To where do you call this function? So actually, I'm going to this should also return false. I'll fix that after I make this video, but yeah, so let's say you get a blackjack. It's like one of the first things I did, other than adding cards and bet loop. Okay, it checks if player should be has blackjack, but is blackjack. Player has a blackjack, and if dealer doesn't have a blackjack, prints out that you won, adds your bet to your bankroll, and if not ask play again, bankroll. So, oh, I didn't explain the bankroll, but if this is false, it breaks the game session, um, and you're just done. But if it's true, or if it's true, it won't uh, activate that, and um, it'll continue your game session. So it'll go back up to the top and just start from scratch. So, oh, this is something I didn't finish either. But I didn't want it to greet you with your bankroll when you're first starting, and it says it gave you a bankroll. So, um, yeah. Anyway, but like I said, I had some issues with the match. So this one I had a lot of trouble with because this is the first time I was attempting to parse strings, or parse user inputs. So let's see. Yeah, same thing, whatever. And then, okay, so if it's okay and there's a number in there, an integer unsigned, it returns that number, or it matches bet with that number. And if there's anything else, it's not a number, or it tells you it's not a number, and you have to go back and redo all this, or redo all this. So, yeah, that's and okay, yeah, I was also trying to filter inside of here. So like, I was trying to put the if statement right here, which I don't know. Don't ask me why I was trying to do that, but and then I was like, why is this not working? And then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna put this outside, and it's a lot simpler. Yeah, ignore that. Um, but yeah, might as well do a demo. I accidentally stopped the screen recording, but um, yeah, let's try it out. Oh, hello. Alright, ignore all the warnings. Just, yeah. Alright, enter bet amount, $100. Oh, alright, there we go. Blackjack. um, yeah, I want to play again. Enter bet amount, $100. 13 against a 2. I'm gonna stand. I won. Alright, yes, I want to play again. Enter bet amount, $1,000. Oh, I want to double. Oh, I was trying to hit, but alright, anyway. Yeah, let's just move on from this. So, yeah, there you go. I also did, if you'll notice, um, oh, well, uh, yeah, so I formatted it so that I made, I don't know how to do it. I wasn't trying to learn how to do it. I just had Gemini do it for me. Format these so that they look super nice. Um, but you have to like do the value inside your head versus, um, let's see where I'm at. What time? Oh, I don't know because this video restarted. Oh, but here. So uh, let's see. No, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, whatever. All right, so Um, yeah, so this is my other one. Might as well. Yeah, so I added like pauses and stuff. Um, yeah, so I need to add the current bankroll. But like this it looks nice, but just a lot of text. So I wanted to have this. Anyway, now I'm just showing off. I'm not talking about what I learned. Let's see. Yeah, so I use try instead of whatever. Yeah, I think that's about it. Tomorrow I'm gonna uh go through tomorrow I'm gonna go through and first I'm gonna get rid of all the warnings and make all the logic really nice. And then I'll make everything look pretty so that it looks pretty. So I can play it and not be like, what am I doing? So yeah. Hope you enjoyed. So